You can watch Mickey Mouse Mixed Up Adventures every day on Disney Junior. But now, time for another magical moment. Mickey's getting ready for a picnic with his pals when he activates the Professor's Strengthenator and turns his Roadster into a monster of a problem.
What's this? Mickey, how did this happen?
Just a little Strengthenator mess-up, and that's all. Buckle up. I don't want to be late for the picnic, so I'll just have to take some serious shortcuts.
Come on! Move it! People are driving here.
Oh my, what a terrible traffic jam.
I bet these big tires can help us get there faster. Excuse us. Pardon. Oh, nice to see ya. Hey, long time no see. Sorry. Oops, what?
Hey, folks! Just had to have my mint chocolate chip banana fudge milkshake and couldn't find a parking spot. Now where's my keys?
Watch out, Pete! Coming through!
Huh? Hey, what is... Whoa! No!
Minnie, are you on your way? Daisy, is that you? I can't hear you. Minnie, what was that? Well, we'll see you soon. Must be a bad signal. But I think Minnie and Mickey are on their way.
I can't make my marshmallow dogs until Mickey gets here. My dogs are his favorite.
Hey, there's another shortcut. I bet that old highway tunnel will get us to the picnic in no time.
Well, I don't think that's a highway tunnel. We're driving into an old gold mine. Look out!
Too late to stop. Let's hope this monster can jump.
Oh, my!
Submarine mode activated.
Wow, this is amazing.
I did it. I got us here in plenty of time to picnic with our pals.
Awesome! Where did you find this, Mickey?
Well, I can explain. But right now, let's get back to the fun of the picnic.
By using the mixed-up monster truck to his advantage, Mickey was able to zoom through Hot Dog Hills, landing just in time for the picnic with his pals. Keep watching for another magical moment, and you can watch Mickey Mouse Mixed Up Adventures on Disney Junior.